shop here at Unique Specialty Classics. This one's a 1965 Mercury Monterey Convertible. 390 V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with a multi-drive automatic transmission. Also has power steering. Let's take a look at this front chrome on the bumper. Of course, the grille, headlight surrounds. Paint code of M on this car, so originally a white car with medium palomino vinyl interior, trim number 29. There is some chipping right above here, kind of at the seam between in the hood and the front valance. If you're aware of that, just wanted to make sure you'll be able to see that in the still pictures also. Speaking of still pictures, take your time looking through the car, undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. If you're seeing this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right there, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Mercury wheel covers, white wall radials. Take a look down the length of this car. You can see these long panels looking pretty darn straight. I haven't noticed really any major nicks, dings, or scratches on the sides like I did up on the front there where it was a little worse. Right here, touch up there. Interior, again, medium palomino vinyl. Does have a camel or tan color top. That's vinyl. We're going to put that up at the end so you can see the condition of that. The power top works as it should. Another thing to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, the chrome in the rear bumper, nice shape. Dual exhaust exiting the rear. Paint shows well on the trunk. As far as the parade boot or convertible top cover, looks good. Vinyl snaps on and off very easily. And you'll be able to see this car pictured with the top up, top down. Again, undersides, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. Let's take a look down the driver's side of this car again. Long panels appear to be pretty darn straight. And once again, not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches I haven't noticed over here on the driver's side. Some recent service work done to this vehicle. Front wheel cylinders were just recently replaced, so you know those are new. Looks like the interior is free of rips, tears, holes. Door panels. I'll also roll up the side glass of the side windows when I put the top up so you can see how that fits. Yeah, it appears the vinyl's free of rips, tears, holes. Anything major along that lines. Let's go ahead and start it up. Let's hear it run. We're going to take a peek underneath the hood too. And don't forget to stick around to the very end of the video. We'll take this car for a drive so you can see how it drives out. Here's the oil pressure gauge is working. Amp meter's working. Fuel. That all looks good. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect the temperature gauge to be up. Take a look at the top of the dash. That looks good. I have not played around with the radio. I turned it on. I have some static. Let's see. Kind of your typical AM stereo deal, or AM radio, I should say. So it powers up. Get outside, get that antenna up. You may get reception. We do have power.
Great specials every day. Burger Basket Mondays, Taco Bar Tuesdays.
There we found one. Slam radio does work. Good sounding car. Well, with a 390 underneath the hood, we should have a little rumble coming out of this thing. There it is. Deep throaty exhaust note. And up to the front. Let me pause this real quick. Get this hood open. check out that engine bay, and we'll check out the convertible top and take this thing for a spin. There's a look at the underside of the hood. And the 390. Remember, power steering. An automatic transmission. Boy, that is smooth. The way it's running and sounding. Wow. Good looking engine bay. Looks pretty stock. There's a battery disconnect over here in the battery room between drives, or maybe while it's in storage. Be a fun car. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, or hey, just how about out in the summer when it's a nice day, put the top down and enjoy. 1965 Mercury Monterey convertible. Let's go ahead and get this convertible top up, check that out, and take it for a drive. And here's a look at the top up. So nice fit above the windshield. Kind of a camel colored vinyl. Power top functions as it should. Side glasses up so you can see that fit on the driver's side here. Glass rear window. Nice and clear. Looks good back there. It appears if you needed to put this up to keep you out of a shower or maybe out of the sun, it's going to work just fine. Side glass. Also a nice fit. And back around at the top of the windshield. Remember to stick around to the very end of the video. We're going to take this for a drive so you can see how it goes down the road. 1965 Mercury Monterey convertible. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1965 Mercury Monterey. Some very straight lines on this car. It's got its own unique style. This is an automatic on the column. This is one of those cars you ever start one up and it just feels kind of refined, like it idles smoothly, purrs nice and low right away. Everything seems to work. This is one of those cars. Factory AM radio.
Meltdown, I think, for that to happen.
That's working well. Blower motor works. Wipers work. Really smooth ride. Luxurious ride, you might say, from this Mercury. We have a vinyl bench seat that I'm sitting on right here, and very nice looking interior. This is a convertible. Even more rare than a Mercury Monterey, a Monterey convertible. We do have the top up today. Fuel gauge is reading a little over half. Oil pressure is right in the middle of the gauge. The amps are a little over half, which is exactly where we want them. Temperature is about 1/3 of the way up. That also looks good. Our brakes are working well. You can tell she's got power steering. They're easy to steer. Corners the way a big 1965 car should. Kick down is working on that transmission. Nice low rumble to the exhaust. Factory horn is also working. This car shows 58,464 on the odometer, and from the feel of it, that may be right. Take a look at all the pictures. pictures, including the undersides and engine bay. Learn more about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.